Today, I'm going to walk you through how to edit a template in Flodesk or how to edit any email in Flodesk. But this is a free template that I have for you. I'll have it linked down below in the description box where you can get this exact template. And it's all ready for you to edit and make your own and to use as a welcome email template. I also have a weekly newsletter template or just a newsletter template if you want to download that as well. I'll have that linked for you down below in the description. So I'm going to walk you through how to edit this if you want to customize it, make it your own if you're new to Flodesk. I also have a full playlist on Flodesk on different things like getting started, how to set up your account, how to set up a workflow for automation, how to create a contact form, how to export your subscribers, all of that. So I'll have this linked down below in the description. I'm also always looking for new requests on videos. So if you want to see a tutorial, let me know. So starting out, we have a banner here. Now this is a banner that I just created in Canva and just uploaded it as an image. And so if you want to create your own welcome banner, this pixel size that you're going to put in is 2000 by 500 pixels, and it's going to make it this size. So if you were to upload this, you're going to hit this plus button, and then you can upload an image. And then you click here, upload image, and it's going to bring you to your downloads or wherever, and you can upload the image right there. And then say you accidentally did that by accident, then you can delete it. Okay, so when you're doing a welcome email, you want to start out with an introduction. These people are brand new to your email list. So for each of these sections, I have an explanation of what it is. So this is a warm introduction. Your introduction should feel like a warm hug. Let people know who you are, what you do, why you're excited for them to join your list, and keep it friendly and personal. This is your first impression of them. So here's an example of it. So, hey, blah, blah, blah. And for this, you can do a first name tag. So let me show you how to do that here. I'm actually going to just bring this down. So you would go, hey, and then you're going to hit the @ symbol, and it's going to bring up first name, last name, email address, birthday, gender, anything like that. I love to personalize this. I want them to feel like I'm speaking directly to them. Now, on your email list, when you're building it, you always want to make sure that you require first name as well as email address. If for some reason someone ends up on your email list and you don't have a name for them and the first name is blank, you want to put in something. So if first name is unavailable, display this instead. So you can do friend, you can say, hey, you, or whatever it may be. Or if you have like a term that you call your audience, you can do that as well. Like for instance, Nicole Walters, she calls her audience and her members rich friends. So she would do, hey, rich friend. Or if you want, you can just do friend. So that way it would say, hey, friend, and then you just go on. So you'll see that it's highlighted in gray. So if we have a first name, it's going to call them their first name. And if not, it's going to just put friend. Also with this, you want to make sure that your email list, and that when they're adding to your email list, that they always capitalize their first letter of their first name. Sometimes you'll see all caps, or if there may be a typo in there. So I like to go through my email list pretty often and just make sure that it looks good and that it's not like all caps, because then it's very obvious that it is just a name tag and not you speaking directly to them. They want to feel like you're only talking to them and not a whole bunch of people. So you're going to add that, and then you add in whatever your name is. Just take this out and put in your name. And then you can customize this, you can edit this or whatever. So if this was for me, then what I'm going to duplicate this just so I don't ruin the template here. So I would just I would take all of this out, and I like the hi or hey, whatever you want. Or you can do this. You can say, hi, my name, and then I'm going to put, I'm Kelly. And I'm so happy you're here, blah, blah, blah. So this is what it would look like. And then this would be right under the banner here. So that is how this is. Now you can move these all around so you can see the up and the down, or you can just drag and drop. You can do that as well. And then you can always still favorite them, duplicate them, or delete them. So for this, I'm going to delete it. And then this is just a little divider. If you click this button, you can add different layouts. You can add images, logos, videos, Instagram, link bars, all these different things. And they're constantly adding new ones here as well. In my tutorial, I think it is how to customize an email template. I go through all of these individually. So definitely check out that video as well. Okay, so the next is set expectations. So you want to let them know what to expect. How often are they going to be receiving your emails? Is there going to be tips? Is it going to be action items? Is it going to be homework? What are they going to be getting every single week from you? Or how often are they going to be receiving those emails from you? And then also, I also like to let them know that by being on my email list, you're going to get first access to special offers, free resources, valuable tools, different things like that. So that is what this next section is here. Third section is a simple next step. So why did they sign up for your email address? If they signed up because you offered them a lead magnet, a free download, a free printable, this is where you want to give it to them. So this is the best way that I think to grow your email list is through lead magnets, giving away freebies or whatever it is. So if they're getting a checklist or anything like that, this is where you can download it for them or give them access. So if you highlight this here, you can do a link attachment, or you can also do a download. So link to upload to your computer. So, and this is just going to bring you right to your download folder. So you can upload a PDF or anything like that. So say I was adding a PDF here. Let me see. Okay. So this is a Disney printable savings challenge. So I'm going to open it. It's going to upload it. Then I always like to underline. I like to bold, underline, and then change the font color to a blue. That way they know that this is something that they're downloading. So that's personally what I like to do here. And then once you have downloaded, take a minute to go through and let me know what stands out to you. So give them a call to action of what to do. So that is what the next step is. Then section 4 is a friendly sign off. You want to make this pretty short. As you can see, this template is not very long, and that's on purpose because you don't want to have a mile long first email. They're going to be like, whoa, 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 this is way too much. I don't like this. So then you can just make it a personal sign off. Let them know that you're excited and, your name, your business, your social links, anything like that. I like to thank you for being my fellow co-creator. You can edit this to be whatever you want. And then you can also put in your name here. So like for me, let me just show you what it would look like. Kelly Ann Smith. And then you can also change the font or anything like that over here on the right. So I'm just going to delete this. And then you can add your social links below the footer. I like to have them. This is set up here. And I go through how to add your social links in this email, Getting Started with Flodesk. You're going to connect all of your social links, but if you don't have them, then you can just hit that little plus button. And then you're going to add social links and it's going to add them right here. And then you can change the color. So this is my brand colors. This coral color, and then also a seafoam. So you can add that, or if you want to do any other color, you can also change the style that you want them as well. So you can definitely do that. And then these are clickable, that if they click them, it's going to go to Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, or YouTube. Then you always need your address at the bottom. That's just for FTC compliance. And then also them to be able to unsubscribe. And you can edit this as well with your brand. And that is the template. And you can also send yourself a test email. So you would hit this button right here where it says send test, and then you can change the subject or anything like that. So that way you can see how it looks formatting on your mobile or desktop. I recommend doing this, making sure all the links work, everything like that. And then you just hit send test now. And it's going to send it to your email. You can also hit up here where you do desktop. So this is what it's going to view on their desktop version. And then you can also look at it on mobile as well. So you can see, is it going to be big, small? Is the text easy to read? Is the pictures come out good? All of that. You can see it right there. And then you can save to favorites. And then you can also share this as a template as well. So then we're going to hit the next button. And then who is this email coming from? So you can put your name here, your brand. I put my name and my brand here. And then this is the automatic email address that you signed up with of who your emails are coming from. So mine is kelly@freedominabudget.com. And I'm going to hit continue. And then you can do your subject and then also your preview text if you want to do that as well. So your subject, I would be like, welcome to, and then put your name or your brand or anything like that. And then hit continue. And then you can add your segments. So you can do all subscribers, or you can exclude segments, different things like that. So I would typically for this, I would have it in a workflow, which to set it up in a workflow, you're going to do this video here, how to set up workflows for automation. But this is just a test email here. So you can add it to your workflow there. So that is how you use this email template. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I do have a link for you guys for 50% off your first year with Flodesk. So definitely check it out. I'll have that linked. This is going to have it as a trial if you use this template. And you get a free trial with Flodesk, and then you also get the 50% off the first year. I love Flodesk. The main thing I love about Flodesk is that you are locked in on that price, that even as your subscribers go up, you're not paying more. A lot of the other email marketing services, they start off really cheap, but then they get really expensive as your list grows. And you're going to be creating amazing content and amazing lead magnets. So your list is going to grow fast. My list is over 15,000 people. And so if I was using one of those other email services, it would be like $200 a month versus a couple $100 a year. So you're going to be saving so much money with Flodesk, and they're always doing upgrades and everything like that. So that is how you use this template, and I'm so excited for you. And grab it down below in the description. Next, if you want to check out my tutorials on how to set up your Flodesk account, check out this video here. And then also if you want to see how to set up your workflows in Flodesk, how to set them up with your lead magnets, check out this video here.